Hey flowers, what's up? It's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. Hey. Hi. Y'all, when I tell you I'm feeling like an OD jizzle joint, where we going tonight, sis? Okay, so this video is all about this auburn, orange, reddish, brownish spa. Okay, so this wig was sent to me from an Amazon buy, and I'm not gonna front. In the video, I was pissed. I had a moment because the color did not want to dye. I was like, what's up? The wig wasn't trying to film me, and you'll see what I had to do in the video to get it to this color. So make sure before we go into the video that you subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and join the flower gang. What up? Gang, 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 gang. Well, how do they do it? Is it like this? Gang. Why do I even try? Make sure you thumbs up this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know. I'll see you guys in my next one. Remember to bloom, because a flower is just a soul blossoming in nature.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high.
Okay guys, so we're gonna start with the L'Oreal High Color. I chose the colors copper, red, and I think just plain copper. So I'm just going ahead and I'm mixing that with my 40 developer, and I'm putting that all over the hair. So this is the step, and this should have been the one and only step. This should have been it. Shouldn't have to do nothing else, sis. So I'm just going in line by line. I'm just adding that product. This L'Oreal High Color is for wigs that are, or hair that's already black or dark, and it'll bleach it down or color it down to the color that you want. It usually always works for me. This is what I always use when I don't feel like bleaching and dyeing. So as you can see, it's sitting there. I've already got it dyed, and this is how it looks. So yeah. So then I was like, you know what? Let me do the old-fashioned way. So I go in and I start to bleach. I use the B&W Bleach Powder and then the 40 developer, and I just do the same thing that I did when you dye. You just put it all over the hair. Excuse my face. I am really like upset at this point. So as you can see, the color is starting to change, and I start to put it up. I put it in a bag, make sure it stays nice and insulated, and this is the color. So literally this is the color. So it's like I did it backwards. Like the bleach took and dyed and bleached it only down to the literal color of the dye. The weirdest shit ever. Excuse my language. I am really shocked, but whatever. So I'm going ahead and I'm plucking that. I do want the hairline to look a little bit natural. This is a closure wig, and it is with wefts in the back, tracks in the back. This is from Amazon. It was only 50 bucks. I will of course leave the link down below for this wig. Just keep in mind, if you do want to dye it, you might have to bleach it first or whatever like that. So now I'm going in and I'm straightening it. I did cut the other side because I wanted it to be a side part, and when I did it, it was you know, just a little bit, you know, uneven on the other side. So I had to make sure I go ahead and went and cut that. So that's that. So now that the hair is straightened, I'm gonna go and sit down. We're gonna throw that wig on. I love this color on me. I really do like it, but you know, you can't say you love a color until you got your face beat, sis. So I'm just trying to, you know, try it on, make sure it looks nice, and comb it out, and you know. So I'm going to use freeze spray for this. I don't really want to do all that, gel it down. It's just a closure, but I don't want it to budge because I decided I don't want to put any elastic bands, because the wig is actually a pretty snug wig. So it doesn't need the elastic band. So now I'm just going in and I'm cutting off that extra lace. And now I'm just going to style it. I like that whole look of like behind the ear and all of that goodness. And that's pretty much it. I went and did my makeup, and we got the neon eyes from the Mio Pigments, and we giving life. We got the orange shirt. We giving popsicle summertime realness. So that's pretty much the look, guys. I want to thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah. You ever be putting your hair, you get your hair done, and you be pulling your toes, and your face be beat? That's me right now. That's me right now.